roll out our glutes, largest muscle in the body, some more for than others. So we want to start like you were sitting at a campfire on a log right here. So we were stable. If you fall, you've only fallen 4 inches, so you don't need to be afraid. So we're going to be here, and you're going to fall onto one arm like a break dancer, and then whatever arm is fallen, that's the leg you're going to bend. So I bring my ankle over my knee like so, and I'm going to lean over to that butt cheek or your glute. Okay, I'm going to roll all the way from the top of my hip all the way to the center. I'm going to say a word that's going to make you laugh, your crack. Okay, so go from your hip all the way to your crack. And that is the length of your glute. We have glute medius, maximus, and minimus. And we're really trying to get into what's called the piriformis. Piriformis is deep into your glute, and that's where a lot of muscles attach, a lot of nerve endings. And when you hit, you go, ooh, and you tighten up. And when you get there, that's when you want to hold it for at least 30 seconds. I explained in other videos with foam rolling that whenever you feel a knot, you want to hold for 30 seconds. Excuse you. That's how much time it takes for your nervous system to catch up and tell your muscular system it's okay, everything's all right, it sends a nice release, and that's when you get the benefit of foam rolling. So this is like a deep tissue massage. So make sure you hold it for 30, and then what do you do after? So you want to make sure that after you had that 30 seconds, you want to roll it out. So don't just neglect it and hop off the foam roller. You then have to roll that about 5 to 10 lengths back and forth. And then, of course, we would not neglect, we go to the other side. Hopefully this is helpful. This is just one stretch you can do on the foam roller. Make sure you do this definitely when you're doing your leg day. It will help minimize risk of injury, and it will help with your recovery time. Enjoy.